Hey, I'm so glad you're here. Come on in. Come in, come in. Bonnie Lee here, and I am on the Artistry II, a panoramic suite ship from Avalon Waterways. I was going to hold off and show you this last, but I said anybody who's looking at a video talking about the Avalon Panoramic Suites is here for one reason. You're here to see the view and find out what it's all about when you book a balcony cabin without a balcony. Come on in. This is so unique, and I believe the ease of actually selling or purchasing one of these ships for a vacation is understanding what it's all about when you no longer have a balcony. What does that mean? Everybody wants a balcony, right? Sure they do, but come on in. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is stand right about here, and then I want you to draw an imaginary line where my arms are. On a traditional river cruise, if you had booked, or I had booked, a balcony cabin, right behind me would be the balcony. It would be area that is usable when I would go through a door, and I could walk outside. What's the difference? The difference is, on a panoramic suite, all of this space right here becomes your space 24/7. So what Avalon has done is actually bring the balcony space into the room. Or somebody else might say, brought the room out onto the balcony. However you look at it, it doesn't matter. What I'm saying is all the space behind me is usable by me and my guest 24/7. Walking in the night, having your champagne in the morning. So let's open up this incredible wall. First thing, I'm just going to kind of scoot the curtain back. Now, top to bottom, right to left, this wall is going to open. I'm just going to pull on this door. Oop, I got to move this chair over just a little. Oh, I can. It's not a problem because I'm not on a balcony. I'm in my room. I got this space. So here's your first pane and your second pane. What do you think about all of this space? Oh, let me pull this back as well. Oops. Oh, I ran into the fire. Not really. I'm going to move my chair back. Here is all of your space. Now I'm going to scoot around. I'm going to show you the other side of the bed. Nightstand on both sides. Each nightstand has a drawer, and it also has some shelves down below. So I'm going to stick my head out here and show you how cool this view is. 24/7, this view is mine from my bed, or potentially right here as I might be enjoying that glass of wine or that glass of champagne, or just a snack in the evening. So now, let's take a look at the other very unique thing that Avalon has done since they've angled the wall. It's given us more room in the bathroom. So I'm going to scooch this way. We've got great storage space here as well. Oh, here's your mini fridge. So you have that. Great storage space here. Now, come in and check out this really elegant bathroom. Here, of course, is your closets and your shelves. This bathroom is amazing. The wall is angled, remember? So the bathroom is larger. This shelf right here, anybody who travels with more than just a toothbrush is absolutely going to appreciate this shelf. It's for everything: your makeup, your shaver, your comb, your brush. It doesn't matter. The point is you have space to be organized, and when you can be organized, the whole cruising experience is better. You've got more shelf space here. You're saying, where's the wastebasket? Unique. The wastebasket is right here. And again, is this just under the sink? No, this is more space as well. Now, step with me into the shower. And I'm going to say, I don't say that normally to just anybody, but come on into the shower with me. Again, the wall space is angled. So from the corner to here, this is how much space you actually have in your shower. You can turn around. You have space. Again, it's about comfort. The more comfortable you are when you cruise, the more comfortable the cruise is, the more enjoyable the cruise is. So I am going to end this video with a fabulous view because you didn't watch this video just to see me. So here we are. The panoramic suite is yours.